So next example is your two competitors A and B are competing for the same product. Their different strategy are given in the following payoff matrix A and B. So A have four options and B also have four options, that is 4 cross matrix. So first use the principle of dominance to find the optimal solution. So in case of your principal dominance, we check the inferior row compared to another row. So if you see here, from this 4, this 3 is your less than. So similarly, this 2 is your equal, and from this 4 are also equal and 0 are equal. So if you see here, your first and third row, all element of first row are less than equal to your third row. So if all element of your first row are less than equal to your third row, then we can neglect or remove your inferior row. So we can neglect your this row because all element of your first row are inferior. Now again we can see if any other options are available row wise. So if you see, this is less than, but here this 2 is less than 4, so no further option is available here. Here you can see this 4 is greater than this 0, but here 2 is less than this 4, so row wise no further options are available. Then we can check your column wise. If you see your column wise, you see from this third column, your this first column value 3 is your superior, and here this 4 is your equal to 4 and 0 is equal to 0. So if you see your in this first and third column, your column 1 having all value are superior, that means your column 3 dominates column 1. So that is, we in column we delete the column which having all values are superior or equal. So this is superior one, so we can delete this one. Now at this stage again you can check row wise and column wise. If you see row wise, from these two, this row is having less value, so this is less, but here it is not, so this is not less than this. So here also this 2 is less than this 4, so but here it reverse is given, so no inferior row are available further. We can check your column wise. If you check your here the column wise, this this is superior than this 2, this 4 is, but here not so. Similarly this 2 is inferior than this 4, but here this 4 is superior value than this 0, so no column wise is also possible. But if we take the average of these two, third and fourth, if we take the average of these two, so the average of, no need to write, you just, I'm just writing for your understanding, for your average of third and fourth. So if you see the average of your third and fourth here, this is 2 plus 4, that is 6, divided by 2 is your 3, so it is 3. 4 plus 2 divided by 2, 4 plus 0 is 4, divided by 2 is 2, 0 plus 8 divided by 2 is your 4. If you see here this average column, all element of this second column, because this serial number is second, that's why I'm saying second. So all element are this 4 is superior than 3, 2 is equal to 2, 4 is equal to 2. So in this case we can see here. So as this is column wise we are comparing, so column wise we say we neglect the superior value, so we can neglect this column. So now we have again left with your these two column now, right? So again you check the, if any row is inferior, we can delete that, but no row is looking here inferior. Similarly, no column is looking here inferior, then we can again look for the average process if possible. So if you see here, the average of these two, third and fourth, is 4, divided by 2 is 2, the average of your last two. Similarly, average of these two is here 4. So if you see, both the values are equal, right? This 2 is equal to 2 and 4 is equal to 4. So we may say this second is your inferior than average of these two. So in row we delete the inferior one. You may say these are the equal, not inferior, but the inferior and dominating conditions say that all value are less than or equal to. So here if these are equal, then we also neglect this first one. Right? Now we have only 2 cross 2 matrices left. Now we have only 2 cross 2 matrices left. So once we have 2 cross 2 matrices left, we just take the difference of these two. 4 minus 0 is 4. 8 minus 0 is your 8. 4 minus 0 is again 4. 8 minus 0 is again 8. Now change the position of these two. We may write 8 here in next step and 4 here. And add these two, that is 12. So divide this by 12. This also by 12. So this give you a 2 by 3. And this is your 1 by 3. The same way you can do the same thing on your this column wise also. So we can write here 8 now, interchange the position and divide this by its sum, that is 12 here. So 12 here also. So this first one is, this one is your 1 by 3 and this one is your 2 by 3 now. So once you do that, the favor chances for your by player A to opt your this third option is your 2 by 3, fourth option is your 1 by 3. For first and second option, as they are not appear here, our chances are nil, that means you are 0. So we may say your the optimal strategy for your player A is your 0 0 and your for third it is 2 by 3 and fourth it is 1 by 3 as it's a probability. So similarly for player B, third options probability is 2 by 3, fourth option probability is 1 by 3, and first and second not appear here, so the chances are 0. So we may write here the optimal strategy for player B is 0 0 and 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. Now you can just multiply these probability with your any of these row or column, right? Any of row, any of column, it's your choice, totally your choice. So you get always same result. So we can multiply this first column with your this probability, that is 4 into 2 by 3 and 0 into 1 by 3, and we can add these two. So 4 into 2 by 3 is your 8 by 3 and your plus 0 into 1 by 3 is your 0. So that is your 8 by 3 only. That is 8 by 3 we get. So this is the value of game for player A. For player B, the value is same, but it should be shown in your negative sign, with negative sign. So that value of game for player B is your minus 8 by 3. Now we can discuss here another way to find the value of game. That is your graphical method. So in a graphical method, we use only when we have 2 row or any number of column, or you say n column, or similarly for your m row or 2 columns, right? So what do we do in that? It is a simple method. I just directly discuss your the example here. So we assume that these are the two value of x. Okay. So we can trace these two on your graph. One is at a distance, suppose at a distance here. First one is at a distance 1, and second at a distance 0. Or I choose any 2 points, you may say, right? So I'm choosing here at x equal to 0, this one, and this is here at x equal to. So that is your some straight line. So this is also a straight line. We do this calculation on a graph only, right? So after that, you see here, these are the one coordinate, whose coordinate are 1 and 8. So this first row you can mark on this at x equal to 1 line, and your this second row you can mark on this x equal to 2. So first is your 1 and 8. So we may just mark here like your some points like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, right? So you may write here 1, 2, 3 counting here. So this is your 1, and similarly we can write here this 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 10. So you can write in graph properly, right? So this is your 1 and 8. So you write 1 at here and 8 here. So it is 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is your 8. So now just join these two lines, right? Now next is your 3, 2. So you just write your 3 on your this x equal to 1. That is 1, 2, 3 this point, and 6 is your something here. So you can just join these two. So this is your 3, this is your 6, this is your 8, and this is your 1. So next is 12 and 2. So 12 is this one, and 2 is this one. So you just join this one, right? So something like this you can get, right? So once you do that, when you have the two row only, then you can take the lower region. So here lower covered region is this one, you may say this one, where all such lines can touch. So this is your lower region. So you may shade this, and you can find the max min value. Max min value here means the maximum point here. If you see here, this may be the maximum point. So I can check the graph properly here. You can see this one, this is a proper graph. So this is first we join 1 and 8, then we join your 3 and 6, and your 12 and 2. So then you can close this and well. So you see this is the max min point, this is max min point, and this max min point is your from your this line, that is 12, 2, and 1, 8. So we have two lines where this point P is intersecting. So these point intersecting on these two lines, where this line and this line. Now we can choose these two columns only, right? And now we have your new matrix is your 2 cross 2 matrix. So 2 cross 2 matrix we can solve algebraically and arithmetically. So arithmetically I'm doing here. So for the arithmetically, you can just take the difference between these two, and difference is 9. So difference is 9, right? And this difference is your 4. So we can write this 4 here and 9 here. Now we can add these two. That addition is your 13. So we divide this by 13, and we also divide this by 13. Same we can do here. This is your 10. We can write 10 here. This one is 10, and this is your 3. Now we can change the position now. So that means 10 at this side and 3 at this side. So after doing that, we can divide this by the sum of this 10 and 3, that is 13. So this is 10 by 13. That means the optimal strategy for pair A is here, as here B1 and B3 are showing. So B1 is not available, or here your A1 is showing, A2 is showing, but A3 is not available. So A1 probability is your 4 by 13. B1 probability, sorry, A2 probability is your 9 by 13, and A3 is not in this last matrix. So we can delete that or neglect that its chances are 0. So similarly, your B1 chances are 0 because it is not available here. B2 chances are 10 by 13, and similarly B3 chances are 3 by 13. right? Now after that we are interested to find the value of the game. So value of game is v. So we just multiply this by this 4 by 13, that probability, or this by this 9 by 13. So if you multiply, this is your 4 into 3, 12, and this is your 54. So we can add your 12 plus 54 is your 66, and LCM here is your 13. So this is your value of a game. So hope so this is a simple method. So one we may again understand one more example on this, that is your 4 by 4 minus 1 minus 1 4 0 2. So here we have also two row. So you just needed to take your x is equal to 1. So this is your x equal to 1, and this is x equal to 0, we can consider. Now your first point is 4 minus 1. So we write 4 at on your first row points will lie on x equal to 1, and second row points we can write on your x is equal to 0. You may write x or x1, that is same thing, it doesn't matter. So it is 4 minus 1. So 4 and minus 1, we can join these 2 points. So similarly your minus 1 4. So minus 1 on your x equal to 1, and this join with 4. This line we can join these 2. Then 0, and 0 is here, and 2 is here on your x equal to 0. So we can join these 2. Now we have 3 lines. Also if we see all the range lower than this also, and lower than this. So this is the common region, or you say lower common region, right? So after that, if you find out the min max point, is the in common region, here the maximum point is this one. So that is called the max min point. So this point formed by using the this line and this line. So that means we can choose your 4 minus 1, that is first column, and your 0 2, that is your third column. So we can neglect this one, and further calculation we can do with your these 2 columns. So that is your by this one. So if you take the difference between these 2 is your 4. So we write 4 here. The difference between these 2 is your 2 minus minus 1 is your 3. So we can change their position. After changing the position, we can just add these 2, that is 3 plus 4 is 7. Divide this by 7 also, and divide this by 7 also. Similarly here also the subtraction, these 2, 4 minus minus 1 is your 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now change the position here. So once you change the position, it is 2 and 5, you may write, and addition of these 2 is 7. So we divide this by 7. So these are the corresponding probability that A1 choose your first option, and B player can choose your second option. A3 is not here, so that means no chance of a third option or your third strategy here. So we can write this in a form that the optimal strategy for your player A is your having chance your 3 by 7 for first option, and 4 by 3 chance for second option, and third option has no chance. Similarly, your optimal strategy for player B is your B1 is probability is 2 by 7 as per the table is concerned, and your second is not in table, so 0 and 5 by 7. So also we require the value of game. So value of game, we just multiply these probability with your corresponding value, that is means these one we can multiply. It's your choice, you can multiply with the 0 and this with, and then add. You may choose any one column, right? It's your choice, any one row or any one column. So for the easy calculation, I can go for your this 0 into 3 by 7 is 0, 2 into 4 by 7 is your 8 by 7. So value of game here for player A is your 8 by 7, and if you ask for player B, it is minus 8 by 7. So one more example I can like to discuss, but in case your 2 columns are given and row are more than. So row here given are 4, but column are 2, and in previous example we have only 2 rows. So in column wise, the process is about to be same. You just choose your these values, right? Minus 2 and 1. So you can place your all these value at your x equal to 1, first column, and second column you can place at your x equal to 0. So like this is your, suppose x equal to 0, this is your x equal to 1. You can choose this, and you can just identify minus 2 and 0. Suppose this is your 0 point. So similarly, is a minus 2 is somewhere here and 0 is here. You can join these. Similarly, your this 5 and minus 4. So 5 is somewhere here and minus 4 is somewhere here. You can join this. So once you do join all these points, you can see here your first point is your minus 2 0. So we can join this minus 2 with your 0. Then 3 1 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 we can join. The next point is your minus 3 and 2. So minus 3. So minus 3 in the first column. So we can choose this minus 3 with your 2. So then 5 in first column and 4 in your second, minus 4. So this one, these we can join. After joining these, as in your when we have 2 row, we can see the lower common region. But here we can, as column, we have 2 column only. So we can doing column wise. So we can choose your upper region, common upper region you say, or you say upper and well. So this is upper and well. So in your row wise we can find the max min value. So but here we can find the minimum value out of these intersecting points. So we have 2 intersecting point and minimum value is this one. So this we can choose. And if you see here, this from this here 3 and minus 1 point is this one, another point is your by your this one. So here it is minus 3 and this is 2. So now we can choose this as your next matrix for your calculation. So we just go with your intersecting point, and the lines which intersect these two we can choose, like your 3 and your minus 1, and similarly your minus 3 and your 2. So you can see here that sorry, these are your these two. So that is your B1, you may write here, B2. So this is your A2 and A3. So now you can just take the difference row wise. So this 4 minus 1 is sorry, 3 minus 1 is 4. So instead of writing here, I am writing here. So just changing the position also. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. We can write here. Right. Similarly, you can write here. This difference is 3 minus 3 is here 6. So this you can write with the same sign, I think, right? You may write both are positive or both are negative. So you may say 2 minus 3, that is plus 5. You may write here, right? So here also this is 2 minus 1 is your 3. Sign should be same, right? So once you do this, also change the location. Also, I have not changed the location here, so we can write 3 here and 6 here. So take the difference row wise and change the location also. After doing that, you can add these. This addition is your 9 here. So we divide this by 9, this by 9, this by 9, and this by 9. So now you can easily write the optimal strategy for your player A is 0, 5 by 9, 4 by 9, and for player B is your 3 by 9, 6 by 9, comma 0. And for the value of game, you just needed to multiply these two, right? And you can add. So you can write like this, right? Right. So if you see here, we have 4 row and 4 columns. So optimal strategy for player this game A is your, we have 4 here. So first is 0 because it is not available in table. This is 5 by 9 for second option, and probability for third option is your 4 by 9. And for last fourth option not available, so it is 0. B, we have only 2 columns are here. So because of your 2 column, we write here your B1 is your 3 by 9. You may write 1 by 3, it's your choice. And it is 6 by 9. And for the value of gain, you just multiply your this this 3 with this 15 by 9, and it is minus 12. So 15 minus 12 is your 3 by 9. So value of game is your 3 by 9, that is your 1 by 3. So hope so you understand your graphical method also, for the row wise also and column wise also we discuss. Okay, I'm stopping here. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.